Today, I will show you the rotor installation process of the submersible pump. First, install the bearing sleeve on the rotor. Then take out the double row tapered roller bearings. Heat the bearing to about 70 to 80 degrees. Install the bearing sleeve and heat the outer bearing. Both raw bearings need to be heated to prevent the shaft from jamming. After installing the bearing, assemble the bearing sleeve. Assemble the inner sleeve of the cylindrical roller bearing at the top end of the sleeve. The cylindrical roller bearing is then inserted into the bearing body. After installing the bearings, prepare the bearing gland and rubber gasket to be installed at the top of the bearing body. Good bolts on the 4 ports of the end cap. Lubricate the bearing ring mouth. Prevent frictional damage. Then tighten the end cover on the bolt mouth of the bearing body. The mounted bearing body is inverted, and the rotor is inserted into the bearing body. After installation, prepare the bearing gland and all seal. Place the bolt on the bottom of the bearing body. In this way, the rotor part of the submersible slurry pump is installed. After the rotor part is installed, prepare the bracket tube. Install the seal and guard. Insert the stent tube into the rotor. Put the screws on the joints and tighten them. Then prepare the mounting plate. Place the mounting plate at the bracket tube and bearing connection. Put on the screws and tighten them. Then the impeller is installed at the tail, and the pump body is sheathed. Put on the connecting screws and tighten them with the machine. Subsequently, a split flange is added at the exit. Attach the connecting screws. Prepare the outlet pipe for connection. Tighten the screws after connectio. Tighten the screws and screw them in. Use the latch to lock the outlet tube. Finally, prepare the labyrinth set of labyrinth rings to be installed at the bearing mouth, and lock it with a cleat. In this way, a complete submersible pump is installed.